everyone, welcome to YouthAstroNet. We're so excited to have you with us for this 2-week self-paced training. My name's Erica and I'm the YouthAstroNet Community Coordinator. I'm here to support you as you get to know the YouthAstroNet community all the way through your implementation. So please don't hesitate to reach out should you have any questions throughout this training. For a bit of background, YouthAstroNet is an inclusive online community of students, educators, and scientists learning about, studying, and discussing astronomy. Throughout this training, you'll learn to request images of astronomical objects using our MicroObservatory robotic telescope network, as well as how to process them in JS9, an image processor used by professionals here at the Center for Astrophysics. But don't worry, we've modified it to make it a bit easier for first-time users. You'll gain access to a whole suite of curriculum around astronomy and telescope engineering concepts, as well as exclusive resources, including opportunities to have scientists from the CFA act as virtual mentors for your classroom through asynchronous forums and video Q&A sessions. Should access to technology be an issue at your site, classroom sets of laptops and little bits are available to borrow, simply by filling out an online request form through the educator portal. Over the next 2 weeks, you'll use the workshop training checklist found in your welcome email and just below this video to guide yourself through the activities and resources in the online portal. To further support your learning, we'll be hosting office hours with YouthAstroNet staff and mini sessions with peer mentor educators who have successfully implemented YouthAstroNet in their learning environments. So keep an eye out for those announcements. Additionally, we hope that you will take advantage of the discussion forums available to you. Here, staff, peer mentor educators, and scientists will be available to answer your burning questions. To get yourself started, please take a minute to tell us something about yourself in the Introduce Yourself forum. We look forward to getting to know you over the next few weeks.